Ever wondered how designers drop images into perfect shapes or layouts in Canva without any fuss? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to dynamically insert images using frames. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it effortlessly, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening Canva and heading to the home page. Look at the toolbar on the left and click Elements. This tab gives you access to everything from shapes to graphics, but what we're interested in is frames. Frames are essentially placeholders that automatically crop and mask any image to fit the shape you choose, way faster and cleaner than cropping by hand. Once you're in the Frames section, you'll see tons of options: circles, letters, blobs, grids, and more. Pick any style you want. Let's go with a simple circle for this example. Just click it, then drag and drop it onto your design canvas. You can resize or move it around wherever you like. Now let's add your image. Head back to the toolbar on the left and click Upload. You'll see anything you've already added to Canva, or you can upload something new straight from your device. Once your image is there, just drag it over the frame. The moment you hover and release, the image snaps right into place and automatically adjusts to the frame shape. If you want to fine-tune the image inside the frame, double-click it. This lets you reposition or scale it so the important parts are perfectly centered or cropped the way you want. You can swap images, duplicate frames, or try different shapes to experiment with layouts for social media posts, presentations, or marketing designs. The best part is how fast this becomes once you've tried it once. You can build polished graphics in seconds without any advanced skills. If this helped you level up your Canva game, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more design tips just like this. Drop any questions or ideas for future videos in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.